Hello. Hi everyone. Welcome to Selenium Python training program. In the last session, we discussed about how to handle a mouse over operation and then perform a click operation on a specific object. And there we have studied two different approaches are there in which we studied one approach. And now the second approach which we have is basically capture all the objects information using a find elements command and then use a for loop and see whether the desired value is there in that list or not. Okay, fine. For which what I'm doing right now means let me copy the existing script and create a new program. Say I have created a new program, and from the program I'm copying the XPath once. Go to the browser and see how many objects are coming. See, there are 22 objects are coming from this XPath. So here, delete this line. Now driver dot find elements by XPath, and I'm storing it in a val equal to. Now for elements in right. So now I need to rotate this for loop on all the values present in this particular on all the values present in that particular list. So range of length of a value. We have already studied about these for loops. So I'm just using the same for loop here. Now I need to get the individual values. Right. So what I want to do right now, let us get the individual values from that list and let's see excuse me. Yeah, let's see whether we are comparing it with the desired value or not. Okay, so in order to get the text, what I am doing means val of a element dot text is a method which is capturing the text. So I am storing it in a text one is equal to. And I know my desired text is a travel information. So I'm storing my desired text in a starting of my script itself. Text 2 is equal to what is my text? I want to click on travel information, right? So here of 7. So let me capture the text of this travel info. Okay. So this is a travel information text. Copy the text and store the text in an another variable. See, this text 2 is desired text which I captured from the browser and stored in a variable. And here, whatever the text it is capturing from the application, we are storing it in a text too. Now, I can use a conditional statement here, which is a if block specifying that whether these two texts are equal or not. So in order to compare the two strings, we need to write down an if condition. If text1 is equal to text2. The meaning is whenever the content present in a text1 and a text2 are equal, print the text1 which it got captured and then val of element dot click. I just want to perform a click operation on that. That's it. This is a straightforward thing. And once after we are done with this particular one, I don't want to continue my for loop. The reason is my desired activity got performed. In such situations, if you don't want to continue your loop, you can use a break command which will be terminating that particular loop. Okay, which will be coming out from that particular loop. The control will be coming out from that loop and print test completed. Okay, print test completed. Good enough. Let me run my test script and see my desired text here is okay. My desired text is a travel information. It should click on a travel information. Let me run my test script and see how this is going to work. So it's getting executed. It's launching a browser. And then once the page got loaded successfully, it should maximize the browser. See, the travel information got a click, and if you go back to the script, travel information got printed and test got completed successfully. So guys, if you clearly observe what we have done means, we used to find elements, we captured all the information from the browser, and we know what is our desired info. Hence, we passed it as a string, and using an if condition, we compared both the strings, and whenever it is matching, we are asking script to perform a click operation and come out from the loop. So earlier, when you use a find elements, directly we will be printing the values to the console. Whereas in this situation, we are just selecting our desired object and coming out from the loop. So this is the way how to handle mouse over operations and how can we perform a click operation also after mouse overing. So that's all I have. See you again in the next session. Thank you. Bye.